Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this detailed guide, we will walk you through the process of replacing the motor and filter in your Dyson DC52 vacuum cleaner. This task can seem daunting, but with the right tools and a bit of patience, you can restore your vacuum to its former glory. Tools required: Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, Torx screwdriver, T15, soft cloth for cleaning, replacement motor and filter. Step 1. Preparation. Before you begin, ensure your vacuum is unplugged. Lay it on a flat surface and gather your tools. It's advisable to have a soft cloth handy to clean any dust or debris you encounter during the process. Step 2. Start by removing the dust canister. Press the release button and lift it off. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the top cover of the vacuum. There are typically 4 screws located at the back and sides. Once removed, gently lift the cover off to expose the motor. Step 3. Disconnecting the motor. You will see the motor assembly now. Carefully disconnect the wiring harness attached to the motor. This may require a flathead screwdriver to gently pry it off. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. Step 4. Removing the old motor. Using the Torx screwdriver, remove the screws that hold the motor in place. Once unscrewed, lift the motor out of its housing. Take a moment to clean the area with a soft cloth, removing any dust that may have accumulated. Step 5. Installing the new motor. Take your new motor and place it into the housing. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the wiring harness, ensuring it clicks into place. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Step 6. Replacing the filter. Now let's move on to the filter. Locate the filter compartment, usually found near the motor. Remove the old filter by twisting it counterclockwise. Clean the compartment with a soft cloth before inserting the new filter. Ensure it is seated properly and twist it clockwise to secure it. Step 7. Reassembling the vacuum. With the new motor and filter in place, it's time to reassemble your vacuum. Replace the top cover and secure it with the screws. Reattach the dust canister, ensuring it clicks into place. Step 8. Final checks. Before plugging in your vacuum, double-check that all screws are tightened and that there are no loose parts. If you're unsure about any step, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your vacuum serviced without any hassle. Step 9. Testing the vacuum. Plug in your Dyson DC52 and turn it on. Listen for any unusual sounds and check for proper suction. If everything sounds good, you've successfully replaced the motor and filter. Conclusion. Regular maintenance of your Dyson vacuum is essential for its longevity. If you ever need assistance, remember we provide quotes before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. No calls, no travel, just efficient service at your convenience. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.